Ripple XRP is a cryptocurrency token designed to migrate transactions from central databases, controlled by financial institutions, to a more open infrastructure while significantly cutting costs. XRP transactions are trustless, instant, and cheap, putting them at an advantage for cross-border movements. Launched in 2012, the cryptocurrency has one of the most ambitious goals in the cryptocurrency space. The software enabling the use of XRP, the XRP ledger, proposed a new way of operating blockchains that proponents claim is more suitable for transactions. The Bitcoin blockchain allows anyone to contribute computing power, validate transactions, and secure its software. The XRP ledger, on the other hand, only allows select network participants to help validate transactions and secure the network. There are over 150 of these participants in the network, collectively known as the unique node list. But is XRP decentralized? At launch, 100 billion XRP tokens were pre-mined and subsequently distributed to specific individuals, companies, and the general public through gifts and giveaways. At the time, the move led to concerns surrounding its decentralization as a few entities controlled a large supply of the coins. Adding fuel to the fire, XRP's involvement in the market relies on a for-profit company called Ripple that, to this day, acts as the main player in the XRP ecosystem. Ripple helps maintain the XRP ledger and plays a pivotal role in its development while being a significant XRP token holder. In this video, we will be going through Ripple's cryptocurrency XRP and how it works, how to mine XRP, how to invest in Ripple, and XRP wallets, and finally, Ripple versus Bitcoin. The mission of Ripple's blockchain infrastructure, RippleNet, is to provide banks with quick, low-cost, and simple cross-border transactions. As a result, it is a viable alternative to the current international payment system used by most banks, which is the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. Ripple has several benefits for those who make international transactions. Here are the 3 benefits of Ripple for international transactions. Number 1. The typical transaction only takes 5 seconds to complete. Number 2. Even at the token's all-time high price, the transaction cost is less than a fraction of a cent. Number 3. As a bridge currency, the XRP currency can be used. This allows financial firms to trade currencies at a lower cost and use XRP instead of other fiat currencies. To verify transactions, the XRP cryptocurrency employs a consensus system involving several bank-owned servers. Validators verify that proposed transactions are valid by comparing them to the most recent version of the XRP ledger. A transaction must be accepted by the majority of validators to be verified. RippleNet provides a multitude of cross-border payment solutions for businesses and financial institutions. Most cryptocurrencies have one specific individual or entity who can be credited with creating the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, for example, was created by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto. XRP's history is complex, as several individuals were involved in creating both the technology behind it and the business entities that helped it grow. OpenCoin's co-founders Jed McCaleb, who also founded Mt. Gox, Arthur Brito, who helped develop the XRP ledger, and Chris Larsen, who founded several fintech firms, are often credited for the creation of XRP. Still, while they are notable individuals in the space, other people were involved. These include David Schwartz, who co-authored the original Ripple white paper and to this day serves as Ripple's chief technology officer, and Stephen Thomas, a former Ripple chief technology officer. Before continuing, it is important to understand the difference between Ripple and XRP. Often some people refer to Ripple and XRP interchangeably, but are they the same? Or what is XRP, and how does it relate to Ripple? It is important to understand that they are not the same thing. XRP is a cryptocurrency while Ripple is a for-profit company that helps promote and develops XRP. The software behind it, the XRP ledger, and numerous other transaction-focused projects. The company is adamant that the 2 entities are separate. Ripple describes XRP on its website as faster, less costly, and more scalable than any other digital asset. It uses the XRP ledger to power innovative technology across the payments space. The firm describes its involvement with XRP in the following way. Ripple is focused on building technology to help unleash new utility for XRP and transform global payments. Third parties are also pursuing other XRP-related use cases. Ripple was founded in September 2012 under the name OpenCoin. 1 year after work on what would later become the XRP ledger had started, in 2013 OpenCoin rebranded to Ripple Labs, and before the company finally settled on Ripple in 2015. The XRP ledger was initially called the Ripple Open Payment System and moved to the Ripple Consensus Ledger before becoming the XRP ledger. After the XRP ledger was functioning, its developers decided to gift 80 billion tokens to a private company that would work with the community to support the cryptocurrency. That company, Ripple, claimed to have been methodically selling XRP and using it to incentivize market maker activity to increase XRP liquidity and strengthen the overall health of XRP markets. XRP was initially the ticker symbol for Ripples, or Ripple credits, but over time these names were dropped in favor of just XRP to avoid confusion. A crypto ledger similar to blockchain technologies is used to generate Ripple, or XRP, which is federated by financial institutions and payment processor networks. While it is true that miners cannot mine Ripple XRP, it is technically possible to do so with the help of other cryptocurrencies. For instance, one can mine other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum and then swap the mined crypto for Ripple XRP through exchanges, one of the most realistic approaches to mining XRP. Ripple XRP and Bitcoin were created to perform different tasks and are not in direct competition. Bitcoin is the most accessible cryptocurrency as it allows anybody to trade or carry BTC anywhere in the globe, regardless of jurisdiction. XRP functions more like a specialized tool for settling cross-border transactions at lower prices and faster speeds than with typical fiat currency. Bitcoin's potential to be openly traded as a true store of value provides the broader public more influence over any artificial rules and market predictions. The use case for XRP is mainly reliant on Ripple's collaboration with financial institutions, and is not based on price. Ripple was created to work with the XRP community to boost its use cases. It created numerous offerings over time, allowing the cryptocurrency to be used for cross-border payments, with remittance giants like MoneyGram using Ripple's products before their partnership ended. The company has now united all of its XRP-related products into the RippleNet offering, which offers connections to hundreds of financial institutions around the world via a single API and makes moving money faster, cheaper, and more reliable. Through a service that uses XRP to source liquidity during cross-border transactions called on-demand liquidity, RippleNet eliminates the need to pre-fund accounts. Remittance players and banking giants like Santander, Bank of America, SBI Remit, American Express, and Banco Rendimento use RippleNet. In short, Ripple's XRP-powered solution helps network members process payments with real-time settlement and improve payment efficiency and certainty. XRP itself is used to source liquidity on demand and reduce the amount in Nostro accounts required to make global payments. Ripple also funds the Interledger Protocol, a software platform that aims to facilitate transactions between cryptocurrencies and bank ledgers. The Interledger Protocol does not require the use of XRP, but it can be connected to the XRP ledger. Finally, XRP also leverages Ripple X, which allows developers and entrepreneurs to integrate blockchain technology into their applications with tools and services built on top of the XRP ledger. XRP itself can also be used on-chain, as with other cryptocurrencies. Now you may be wondering, how is the XRP ledger so efficient? The average XRP transaction cost being 0.0013927 may stand out to most experienced cryptocurrency users. The average transaction fee on both Bitcoin and Ethereum, the top two cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, has often reached 2 digits, with all-time highs standing above $50. The XRP ledger is not a fork of the Bitcoin blockchain network, but it uses some of its features, including the use of public and private cryptographic keys, as well as the use of a public ledger and digital signatures required for transactions. It doesn't, however, rely on a proof-of-work consensus algorithm backed by specialized computing hardware. It relies on a network of unique nodes that efficiently agree on which transactions can be processed in the network. Permission servers maintain a unique node list that helps the network achieve consensus through a federated Byzantine agreement consensus mechanism. If 80% of these unique nodes deem a transaction to be valid, according to the rules of the XRP ledger, transactions are efficiently validated. The XRP ledger naturally uses a more trusted design than other cryptocurrencies, which has led to some concerns regarding its decentralization and permissionlessness. Each new ledger version of the XRP ledger is equivalent to a block on the Bitcoin blockchain and contains the full state of all balances on the XRP network. As a result, servers can synchronize with the network in minutes. Anyone can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, and numerous other cryptocurrencies by simply creating a wallet. The same is true for XRP, although new wallet addresses need to have 20 tokens in them for booking. It can be important for the new XRP users to choose a single wallet instead of committing to multiple addresses to avoid unnecessary costs. Several types of wallets compatible with the XRP network are available on the market. To avoid the 20 XRP cost, most users store their tokens on the cryptocurrency exchanges where they buy them, as the exchanges handle the cost. But holding funds on a trading platform has its drawbacks, as, in some cases, exchanges may freeze the coins or get hacked. To store XRP outside of a cryptocurrency exchange, investors can use the software XRP Wallet. Wallets that give users control of their private keys are advised for security reasons. The alternative, often web-based wallets that control users' private keys, also charge operational costs. Before moving your funds to a wallet, you'll need to get your hands on one by buying XRP, which is traded on most top cryptocurrency exchanges. In 2020, XRP was delisted from numerous platforms after the US Securities and Exchange Commission sued Ripple over the alleged sale of $1.3 billion in unregistered securities, referring to the firm's XRP sales. Ripple maintains an XRP markets page where it's possible to see where the token is listed and its trading volume. After buying XRP on exchanges, users can move the funds to their wallets or keep them on the trading platform. Selling XRP is also an easy task on exchanges, especially those with a significant trading volume. To wrap things up, is XRP a good investment? This is not financial advice, but XRP is no exception to the rule that cryptocurrencies are volatile. If you believe Ripple's growth will continue, a small investment in XRP may be worthwhile. However, it's not as safe as investing in stocks, but you may make a lot of money if Ripple succeeds. As always, invest at your own risk. At the same time, Ripple's potential is there. It can potentially replace an inefficient and outmoded international money transfer system. The fact that it has bank ties is encouraging, and any favorable changes in its legal position could result in a price hike. Thanks for watching.